Hello students, how are you? Take care of yourself. Use masks during COVID-19. Students, I am Vinay Kumar Singh, lecturer English at Sardar Patel Inter College Chirgaon, District Jhansi. In previous video, I taught you nominative absolute and adverb or adverbial phrase to combine two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. In this video, we are going to study noun or phrase in a position to combine two more simple sentences into one simple sentence. So let's start. Noun or phrase in a position. A position. Students, we should know what is apposition. Apposition का अर्थ है एडिशन ऑफ वन वर्ड a group of words to another as explanation. एक शब्द या शब्दों के समूह को दूसरे शब्द के समूह शब्द के पैरेलल एक्सप्लेन उसकी व्याख्या के बतौर जब हम रखते हैं तो इसको हम जो है अपोजिशन कहते हैं. इसीलिए किसी नाउन या फ्रेज को उस नाउन के बगल में रखा जाता है जिसकी व्याख्या की जाती है. जो नाउन या फ्रेज अपोजिशन में रहता है उसको हम अल्प विराम के बीच में रखते हैं. वी पुट दैट बिटवीन टू कॉमास. स्टूडेंट्स, वी शुड बी वेरी क्लियर. लेट्स सी थ्रू एग्जाम्पल्स. महेश is a doctor. He is very gentle. Mahesh, a doctor, is very gentle. Here a doctor is in opposition to Mahesh. Okay, so it has been put between two commas. Okay, let's see example to example to become more and more clear about the use of noun or phrase in opposition. Let's see one more example. Rana Pratap was a great warrior. Great warrior. He was the king of Mewar. Here we find a great warrior is the explanation of Rana Pratap. The king of Mewar is also explanation. Are we saying something about Rana Pratap? So we can use any of these. Okay. So Rana Pratap a great warrior was the king of Mewar. Okay, we can write it in other way. Rana Pratap, the king of Mewar, was a great warrior. Okay, we can write it in two ways. Let's see. Dr. Radha Krishnan was the President of India. He was a great philosopher. Okay. Here again we find the President of India. This phrase tells something about Dr. Radhakrishnan. A great philosopher. This also tells about Radhakrishnan. So let's write Dr. Radhakrishnan the President of India was a great philosopher. We can write it in another way. Dr. Radha Krishnan, a great philosopher, was the President of India. Okay, let's see some more examples. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. So let's rough it. Yes, students. I think you will be becoming more and more clear about the concept, how to use noun or phrase in apposition to combine two simple sentences into one simple sentence. Okay, let's see another example. Babur defeated Lodi. Babur was a Turk. Lodi was the Emperor of India. Students, there are three sentences. Let's be very clear. A Turk is explanation is telling something about Babur, and the Emperor of India is telling us about Lodi. So a Turk will go just beside Babur, and the Emperor of India beside Lodi. So let's write Babur, a Turk. Okay, defeated Lodi, the emperor of India. Okay, let's see. Nalanda was once the biggest center of learning. It is now a heap of ruins. Students, Nalanda, the biggest center of learning. This phrase is explaining about Nalanda. Is saying something about Nalanda. And in second sentence, a heap of ruins. This is also telling something about Nalanda. So we can use any one of this one or one by one to make it simple sentence. Let's see. Nalanda once Nalanda, the once the biggest center of learning is now a heap of ruins. Okay, let's see it in another way. Nalanda, a heap of ruins, was once the biggest center of learning. Okay, let's see a few examples more to become more and more clear. Okay, Mohan is the only son of his parents. Mohan is the only son of his parents. He died in an accident. Mohan was the only son of his parents. He died in an accident. So there is only one thing here. The only son of his parents. It's telling something about Mohan. So we will use it as phrase in apposition. Mohan, the only son of his parents, died in an accident. Students, I think you will be quite clear about the use of noun or phrase in apposition to make one simple sentence by combining two or more than two simple sentences. Okay, let's see another thing. If you want to take a screenshot, please take it. Let me rough it. Okay. Students, by using adjective, students, we can combine two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence with the use of adjective. Okay. एडजेक्टिव मीन्स विशेषण। जब दिए गए दो वाक्यों में से किसी एक वाक्य का में दिया हुआ या प्रयोग किया हुआ विशेषण जब दूसरे वाक्य की संज्ञा की विशेषता बताता है तो हम उस विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द को उस वाक्य की संज्ञा के पहले रख देते हैं और इस प्रकार से हम उन दो सेंटेंसेस को मिला करके एक सेंटेंस बना देते हैं जो सिंपल होता है। When we see that out of two given sentences, a sentence which tells something more or qualifies the noun of another sentence, we use that qualifier adjective and make a simple sentence combining the two simple sentences. Okay, let's see examples. I purchased a pen. It was expensive. Here the word expensive qualifies pen. Expensive means costly. What is costly? Pen is costly. So we'll use the word expensive before pen. I purchased an expensive pen. Okay, by using adjective we combine these two sentences into one simple sentence. Let's see another example. I met a man. He was lame. I met a lame man. Okay. Let's see another example. The boys read a book. The book was old. The boys read an old book. Okay. Let's see another example. William C. Douglas saw a girl. She was a refugee girl. William C. Douglas saw. What type of girl was she? She was a refugee girl. Refugee is telling something about girl. She saw a refugee girl. Okay. I hope you will have understood it also very well. If you want to take screenshot, please take it. Students, let me rough it. Okay. Students, let me teach you one more thing to combine two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence by using and. Conjunction and. Students, when we use and is used as coordinate conjunctions and simple conjunctions. When we connect two words, a simple sentence is made. If we connect two statements, a compound sentence is made. Here we are combining two or more than two simple sentences into one simple sentence. So we are using conjunction. Okay? Simple conjunction. Let's see. Radha wants to buy a novel. She wants to buy a pen also. So, Radha wants to buy a novel and a pen. Where we have used and we combine two words. Okay, a pen and novel. Okay. Now let's see one more example. Raman went to Kolkata. Vijay was also with him. Okay. Vijay also went with him. So Ramu and Vijay went to Kolkata. Ramu and Vijay, sorry, not Ramu, Raman. Raman and Vijay went to Kolkata. Let's see one more example. I saw a white dog. I saw a black dog also. Let's combine it. I saw a white dog, white, and a black dog. Students, I think you'll have understood the use of and to combine two simple sentences to make one simple sentence very well. Students, try some more examples with the help of your books available nearby in the market or on you, and do more and more exercise so that you may improve your grammar. Students, in next video we'll study compound sentences. Okay, thank you.